Hi, this is Joyoshare software channel to show how to compress a video without losing quality. Wonder which tool to use? Alright, what we bring here is Joyoshare VidiKit, a 11-in-1 video toolkit with a professional video compressor. Then what can Joyoshare VidiKit video compressor do for us? Well, it supports batch compression to deal with multiple video files at the same time. There is dual mode it has to initiate compression, including compress by percentage and compress by file size. Best of all, you can enjoy 40x high speed to compress video, which is really efficient. To improve the whole compression experience and give yourself more freedom, you can even preview video files before compression, adjust resolution, use, apply to all, mode, and convert format to your desired one. Having a thorough understanding of it, you will wonder how it works, right? Now go to change the percentage of compression. It's possible to enable Apply to All option to compress all files in the list. Or you can click on the gear-shaped icon in the rear of a target video to adjust its file size. Simply change output format and resolution as you want. Lastly, click the Compress button to start compressing your videos. Afterward, head to History window to furtherly check and play videos. That's all. Thanks for you watching, and it's your time to try it.